Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. I'm going to give you a full review of this one. Then I will be sharing with you the demo and everything, and I will be sharing with you 4 ways to use it to incorporate into your skincare routine. So do stay tuned till the end. And these are the shout outs for those of you who commented in my last video. Those who watched till the end, they did answer my question that I asked at the end. So if you really want to get a shout out and to be featured in my next video, do comment below my question that I will be asking at the end of this video. So do stay tuned till the end so that you get featured in my next video. So talking about Cetaphil cleanser, this is like the one which normally dermatologists recommend. This one is especially good for those of you who have dry skin, irritated skin, sensitive skin, and especially if you have been using tretinoin, then you need this thing in your life. And I will just start with a mini review of this one. If you see, it says that all skin types, but I wouldn't recommend for all skin. This is good for dry, sensitive, and normal skin types. If you are in the oily category, there is one more option of Cetaphil that you can try. This one I would not recommend for oily ones. It can be a little, little bit more moisturizing. It says it doesn't clog pores, but I wouldn't still recommend. Then it's soap free. Definitely it is soap free. It is non-irritating 100%. Then it won't sting your eyes. Yes, this thing you will see when I will give the demo. So it does have parabens, it does have sulfate and everything. But one thing, recently I was reading this article, and I did see one video on YouTube where they were saying that okay, parabens are supposed to be there in a minimum quantity because this cleanser is fully made up of water. So if you don't add any kind of preservatives in it, because parabens are basically preservatives, so if you don't use that, it is gonna go bad, and you really don't want to use any bad product on your face. So this thing is really getting confusing. Sometimes there comes out this article or some kind of video or so stating that parabens are bad for your skin, and then eventually comes another video, another article on the internet that says that parabens are safe. So it can be really confusing. This retails for around 255 rupees, but you can always get it on discount on Amazon, on Nykaa. I will link in the description box. You can buy it from there. And now moving on to the 4 ways that I want to share with you. Before that, let me just give you a little bit of swatch of this. So as you dispense it through this nozzle that they have provided in the front, it does come out as a runny liquid. It doesn't have any color. It doesn't have any smell at all. So it is free from fragrance also, which is one thing that you should be looking in your skincare ingredients, because fragrance is one of those things which irritates the skin a lot, and a lot of people are sensitive to fragrance. They don't even know sometimes that a product might irritate the skin, but they are not aware like why it is happening. So fragrance could be one reason that you are getting a lot of irritation on your skin, or you are getting a lot of redness, or small bumps on your skin because your skin is reacting to the fragrance. So this cleanser is free of fragrance also. The number one thing that I love using it is as a makeup remover, and as it claims that it does not sting your eyes, you can always use it on your eyes to remove your mascara, your kajal, your makeup and everything. That I'm going to give you the demo right now. So let's start. The very first thing is, what I do is to remove the makeup, as I have a little bit of makeup on my face, and that's the reason I'm wearing this dark color lipstick also today, to just show you the demo and everything. So what you're gonna do is, you're gonna take a little bit of this onto your hand like that. Just warm it up a little bit, and then place it on your face like that. Massage it in. See, it feels so gentle, and it doesn't give you any kind of smell and irritation. That's what I love about this. Eventually I'm going to move on to lipstick, but first let's just remove the makeup on her. And I'm taking it so close to my eyes, as you can see here, and it does not sting at all. Now what you're gonna do is, what I do is, normally I take this kind of cloth, or you can take muslin cloth also, that you'll find easily on Amazon. Even I'm gonna buy that next. But what you have to do is basically, please don't use cotton pads or cotton wools, because they are bleached in such a way that they don't degrade easily, so they cause a lot of environmental stress, or you can say a lot of environmental residue. So getting rid of those is very tough, so you need to keep that in mind. I'm going to dip this in warm water like that. This is like a little bit of warm water that I have taken in a bowl, and I'm gonna dip it in and then wipe off this makeup with the help of this cleanser. And you'll see how beautifully it just gets rid of everything, all of the makeup that I'm having on my face. Now let's just try to cleanse the lipstick. So I'm gonna take a little bit of more of this cleanser onto my ring finger, little bit, you don't need a lot of it. Just rub it in and wipe it off. Just see. And this lipstick is one of the hardest lipstick, because this is a matte lipstick that normally you need to apply some kind of micellar water to get rid of it. But with Cetaphil, as you can see, it just instantly removed all of my makeup without any kind of sensitivity or anything, and without irritating my skin. That's what I love about this. So next I'm going to wet my face. It will be a little tough to do in front of camera, so I'm gonna just wet my face a little bit. And next we're gonna take Cetaphil cleanser, little bit you need, not a lot of it, and it does not make any foams. It doesn't like foam up like other normal face washes, and that's so good, especially for those of you who have dry and sensitive skin. Just keep in mind that if a face wash is super foamy, or the one which retail in the market as foaming face washes, you have to stay like 100 feet away from those kind of face washes, because they are drying. They can literally strip away the oil on your face. Stick to the ones which are cream based. So if you are one of those who has been using a lot of foaming face washes, so this will feel a little weird. You'll feel like, oh my god, this thing is not working and I'm not feeling that great or happy about it. But eventually you will get used to this thing and you will love the results of this one. Now I'm gonna get rid of it. I'm gonna be washing it off with water, obviously, in my bathroom, and I will be coming back. So I'm back after washing my face. One more thing, that is that you don't need a lot of water to actually get rid of it. That is also very eco-friendly, because it does get rinsed away in like 2 or 3 splashes hardly, and that just literally saves you a lot of water. The third way to use it, using it as a shaving cream or shaving lotion. So if you are one of those who shaves their legs or arms or so, or armpits, you can use this instead of any kind of shaving cream or so. You can use this. It is going to hydrate your skin while you shave your skin. It will keep it smooth, and it will not like lead to rashes and irritation that normally people have after shaving. And do try this tip for yourself. You will see a lot of difference between the normal shaving cream and this one if you use it as a shaving cream. A lot of people, especially now during the winters, do tend to get a lot of dryness, especially around their leg area or around this like knuckle area, or maybe overall if your body is super dry and you need some kind of cleanser which will not dry up your body skin, because taking care of your body is also important, as is your face. So using it as a body cleanser is also one more good option that you can try. The thing is that on alternate days you can use Cetaphil this gentle skin cleanser as a body wash, and you will observe a lot of difference in the dryness, especially on your legs or on your arms and wherever you feel that your skin is extremely dry. Just try it once and you'll see a lot of difference. So now comes the part where I need to ask you one question. If you really want to get featured in my next video as a shout out, so what you have to answer is basically, I have found this dupe of one of my favorite lipsticks that I shared with you in my recent videos, where I shared with you my top favorite lipsticks. It was this Benefit lipstick, and I have found a dupe of it, and that retails for only 80 rupees. Can you believe that? And if you want to know about that, which brand it is, which lipstick I'm talking about, then do comment below. And if you comment this, then I will be featuring you in my next video. You will be getting a shout out. And with that, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video if you liked it, and do take care. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.